The goal of the content syndication strategy is to publish copies of your articles on third-party websites and get exposure to their audience. For example, we would like to publish our content syndication guide on websites that are open to republishing external content. Leveling Up is an example of a website they use to syndicate content, such as this article. We can find these sites by looking for pages that mention phrases like publish with permission and originally published on, indicating that they're open to content syndication. Let's see how we can find content syndication opportunities with Respona. The first field to fill out is the URL of the article you'd like to republish. We're going to use our blog on content distribution. The second field is your target keywords. In this case, I'd enter our primary keyword, content distribution, followed by a few closely related secondary keywords. We also recommend using Respona's AI keyword suggestions to generate 20 additional keyword ideas and expand your search even further. In this example, I can ask Respona to suggest subtopic and niche areas related to content distribution. These keywords will be used to find relevant content syndication opportunities. In the content description field, write a short line that encapsulates what your article is about. For example, in our guide, we have shared step-by-step strategies that helped us grow our blog's monthly organic traffic to 100,000 sessions. This will be pulled straight into your email sequence. Click Use this template to get into the campaign editor. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chance of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on the recipient's website and increase your reply rates. Next up, finding opportunities. For this strategy, Respona uses the Google scraper to find opportunities. It has already put together your search strings with advanced search operators. You can also hover your cursor with the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again and you'll see the context search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, such as the content or SEO manager. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around 5th grade and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring, which means every couple of weeks. This will automatically rerun the search every couple of weeks, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. Although you don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed, as Respona will send you an email once the automation is done. When you're ready, you can move to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can make manual edits and, of course, review your AI variables. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn to create another touch point and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses.